Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurulana bin Syarif Majid from DSB2A, registration number 01DSB20F1008. So today I will present about Industrialized Building System IBS for course DCA 20102 Building Technology. So the next slide is content of presentation. Introduction of study or research, name of product, technical information of product, advantages of the product, how to construct the product, and conclusion. So next slide is about introduction of study. Not many among us all except those who are in the midst of progressive development in the heart of the capital really understood the concept and technologies lay behind the industrialized building system, or simply known as IBS, amongst the construction and build communities. I realize the government of Malaysia has put a lot of effort to start the implementation of IBS in their construction contract and roadmap for IBS toward 2010. Nevertheless, the industry stakeholders are indifferent of this idea and thus resist toward this change, which probably due to ignorance, lack of idea and awareness, or lack of effort in understanding the concept, and cost in technology transfer due to the initial high cost in implementation. However, these technologies enable to use for recurring process. IBS in Malaysia has begun in early 1960s when Ministry of Housing and Local Government of Malaysia visited several European countries and evaluate their housing development program. After their successful visit in 1964, the government had started first project on IBS aims to speed up the delivery time and build affordable and quality houses. About 22.7 acres of land along Jalan Perkeliling Kuala Lumpur was dedicated to the project, comprising 7 blocks of 17 stories flat. There are 3,000 units of low-cost flat and 40 shops lot. This project was awarded to Gammon and Larsen using the system of large panel of prefabricated system. The IBS system are well known in maintaining persistent in quality to standards required due to the factors where most of the IBS system members are manufactured in production line in the factory. To date, there has been no one commonly accept or agreed definition on industrialized building system IBS. However, there are a few definitions by researchers who studied into this area previously, emphasizing on the concept on prefabrication, offset production, manufacturing, and mass production of building components. Industrialized building system IBS is a technique of construction where components are manufactured in a controlled environment, either at-site or off-site, and transported, positioned, and assembled into construction works. So the next slide is about name of product, precast concrete framing for staircases. Precast concrete staircase is an ideal solution in constructing similar and repetitive concrete staircase in a building. Precast concrete staircases are cast on their side or face down using mold with a fixed tread and riser. The quality of end products is then assumed. Next slide is about technical information of product. Precast concrete is the process where concrete is placed in mold off-site under controlled conditions. The concrete is cast around steel reinforcement bars which add strength to the product. It offers significant benefits over in-situ cast concrete due to the additional control over the mixed use, casting condition, and performance. Therefore, precast concrete stairs and landings make the ideal solution for fast-track, high-quality concrete staircase construction. There are types of precast stairs. precast concrete straight flight stays, precast concrete cracked slab stays, precast concrete open riser stays, precast concrete spiral stays. The next slide is about advantages of precast steel concrete. Number 1 is safe construction time. Precast concrete construction save time. The risk of project delay is also less. The precast concrete casting can be carried on simultaneously with other works on site, therefore save time. Number 2, quality assurance. The key factors which regulate the quality of construction such as curing, temperature, mix design, formwork, etc. can be monitored for precast concrete, so improved quality construction can be performed. Number 3 is usage of pre-stressed concrete. By using pre-stressed precast, structural materials of high strength and load-bearing capacity can be achieved, which can result in greater clear span, reduced size of the cross-section of structural members. Number 4 is cost effective. The simplified construction process reduces the time, increase the productivity, quality and safety, and thus the cost is reduced. Number 5, durability. Precast concrete structure has a longer service time period and minimal maintenance. The high density precast concrete is more durable to acid attack, corrosion, impact, reduce surface voids, and resist the accumulation of dust. And the last one is aesthetics. As the structures are prefabricated in a controlled factory environment, several combinations of colors and texture can be used. A wide range of shapes and sizes are available to choose from, with smooth finishing, and thus the aesthetical value of products are increased. So the next slide is video how to construct precast steel concrete. So the next slide is how to installation of staircases. So the next slide is drawing of staircase. So here the drawing concrete stairs on grade. So the last slide is conclusion. Hoist using a crane with 4 chains complete with shortening clutches. The type and size of cast-in lifting point may vary. Plastic shims can be used as necessary to achieve correct level. Before installation, ensure that the bearing points are prepared and ready for placement. All debris should be cleared from the stair so that no obstruction remains. Ensure any load-bearing block work is at least 72 hours. All and steelwork is lined and level with bases grouted. For installation, the stairs unit should be lifted upright in the position that they are going to be lifted. So that's all from me. Thank you.